Yes, we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my show. Today, we actually going to talk about will Bitcoin go up to this 10K mark? Will it go higher? Is this bad boy going to continue to rip up and make new highs? If you guys have any questions, you could definitely type it in. If you're watching that replay, welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional day trader. I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button because I only look at the charts because the charts is pretty much the facts, right? And you can make money without doing anything else but looking at the charts. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button. We're going to do this quick live stream today. And we had this nice little pop to the upside. We're going to talk about that. And thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. So let's go get this party started. Let's see if I see anybody in the live stream. A couple of people. All right. A couple of people. So while we're waiting for more people to come in, basically, let's go over the coin market cap first. And then we go to you guys real quick. So right now, coin market cap is at 250, actually 248 billion. Let me see, the Bitcoin dominance dropped a little bit, so it was at 56. Okay, and the volume still around the same. And we had a nice little pop today with the Bitcoin and the crypto market. So basically, we're gonna look at the charts and see what I see and see how far this thing can go. So everything is pretty much green right now today on a weekend. All right, on a weekend. So we have to see. Waiting for you guys to come in. What's going on? Shout out to you guys here. Who flung? Right. All you guys that's here. Shout out to everybody that's here, man. Thanks a lot for showing by. Showing love and coming by. All right. Coach Mike said, "I'm back for some bullish action, Big Ben. You were right about the hip market, though." Shout out to you. Yeah, we're gonna talk about that, Mike. We're gonna talk about that. All right. All right. So basically, what I see right here, guys, if you follow my last live stream, I talked about how Bitcoin could continue to go back up, okay? Because if you notice that when we sold off, really, it wasn't, the buyers pretty much came back in. And I said to you guys, it's a possibility we can, continue to go higher. The only thing that was going to hold us back if Bitcoin decided to, wiggle like this, where you see no buyers coming in, right? And then we can, drop off like that. But we did see buyers come in. So buyers are in right now. So you have to expect new highs. Now, the level that we were talking about too is that 10K level, okay? Around 9 to 10K is actually a good level because that will peak or it will give a lot of people a reason either to buy or become nosy, again. So I believe that 10K mark, that 9 to 10K mark, most likely we will probably get there because it will help build the buzz and help get more people in the market. Okay. Now, when we get to those levels, you have to understand there's a lot of resistance. Okay, a lot of resistance around those levels. Okay, we hit this first resistance level right here. Now we got it. If we go to 10K, that is like literally a lot of resistance. So just because we hit 10K doesn't mean anything. It's just that most likely the big dogs want to bring it up to that level so it can, create that buzz that they need right now. Now, the major resistance, guys, the major resistance, even if we hit 10K, I don't think that could be the top where, we have a lot of sellers come in. The major resistance that I'm looking at, guys, is this 12K level I told you guys before. The reason why is because if you look at the big triangle, okay, when we broke out of that 6K range, okay, this big triangle, remember we broke out of this big triangle. The top of that triangle is what? Is around 12,000, okay? So that's where people will have stop losses at, and that's where it can get really ugly over here around that level, okay? So we still have upside unless more sellers come around this area, but for the most part, we had a nice little pop. So right now, you have to expect some new highs, right? When I say new highs, I'm talking about going up past this high right here, right, which is around what, 84, 80, yeah, around there. So guys, have any questions, type it in. Let me look at these other coins. I didn't even look at these other coins. Busy today, really didn't look at these coins, but Litecoin is looking real good. Litecoin looks like it wants to continue. Let's look at XRP. I didn't look at XRP. Hopefully XRP rebounded. Yes, so XRP did a nice little rebound. Okay, so I told you guys before, since Bitcoin is bullish, all right, XRP has the ability to go. Now, I'm sorry, I said since Bitcoin is bullish, my fault. Okay, let me rephrase that. Since Bitcoin is going up right now, XRP has the ability to go right back to this high right here. All right. Now, you have to be careful though. Okay. Once we get to this high right here, a lot of resistance, a lot. Let's go back to these Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash shooting up nicely. Most likely, we probably will see 600 probably once again. Ethereum. Probably one more pop, maybe to 300 around there. Let me see here. That's about it. That's what we're gonna look at right now. If you guys have any questions, type it in, and we go from there, guys. We're gonna make this a quick live stream. Just giving you guys a quick update. So let's go from there. Masai, Jason, Travis, Ron, what's going on, guys? Thanks a lot for tuning in. All right. So let's see if I see any questions here, and then we go from there. So what do I think about ETH chart? I mean, ETH can go to that $300 mark, even higher. You can go back to this around here. So I said looks very bullish. What's up, V? So let me explain to you guys, because I know some of you guys are new to the crypto world or new to the financial world or whatever you want to call this. Just because something looks bullish doesn't mean it's bullish. All right. I want to help you guys out. Sometimes it's very hard because some of you guys don't want to listen to what I say. Okay, so it's almost like, what's the sense of even trying to help you guys? But at the same time, I want you guys to become professionals. All right, a professional doesn't get too excited, doesn't get real excited. A professional is always on his or her toes, right? Because that person knows that at any moment things could go south. So this is not the bottom, guys. All right, Bitcoin didn't create a bottom. Price has to show you that this is the bottom. Okay, in order for this to be the bottom, we have to make a new high. Just how it works. Because I told you guys before, we have so many different outcomes, right? We have so many different scenarios we can do, right? So we can do something like, you know, we could do something like pull back and go up again, maybe find resistance up top and go right back down. Okay, that's one thing. We can do something like go up a little higher, go right back down, bounce up a little bit, just to go right back down, right? So there's so many scenarios, and you have to understand that, as an investor, like, it's your duty. Like, some of you guys, I don't get it. It's your duty to understand this stuff, okay? For you to turn a blind eye, or I don't know what's the saying, but for you to ignore the possibilities and automatically say that this is going to 50K, it's telling me that you don't want to become a professional investor or a professional whatever, okay? You still have to understand how to read the charts. Understand the markets. You can't just look at price and say, oh, man, this thing is shooting up. We going to 50K. You can't say that. All right? What you have to do is say, you know what? This thing looks like it's going up. How can I take advantage of this? How can I make money? All right. How can I secure the profits that I have right now? Because that's the name of the game, guys. The name of the game is securing your profits, making sure that you won't see a negative balance, in your portfolio anymore. Some of you guys bought a coin maybe last year or 2 years ago, and you had a lot of profit. And you didn't sell because you was waiting for some imaginary number that you got from either your favorite YouTuber or the news. All right, so you was waiting for this imaginary number, maybe 100K Bitcoin, right? And you didn't sell. So you have to understand that the name of the game is securing your profits. You have to secure your profits. You have to. I'm always taking profits, and that's the way I feel. I think a lot of people should do that too. So this move, we have, like I said before we even go up, if we decide to go up to the top to 19,000, we have resistance right here, which we saw sellers come in this resistance. We have resistance around here too. So we have a lot of levels that we have to fight before we even go up to the high. So just keep that in mind. That's all I'm trying to tell you guys, all right? I'm not trying to be negative. I'm not trying to do anything. All I'm saying is keep in mind that, okay, nothing in life is just straight up, hey, it's going to be easy. Just close your eyes and buy. It doesn't work like that. So in order to make sure that you stay on point, you really have to understand how the chart works and how it moves, right? So let's go to your guys' questions. We will have some bullish news Tuesday. I don't care about news because news is usually the news that we get, the public get. We are late to the party. Okay, you have to understand, someone had to sit down, write the article, or sit down, prepare. All right, whatever they about to tell you. Okay, so you have to understand the information that you are receiving is late. They probably knew this 2 weeks ago, 1 month ago, 2 months ago. All right, so I don't rely on it, news. It's just a lagging indicator. Let me see here. You say you're not saying that the news pushes us up, but it will get pushed for the people to FOMO. Yeah, of course. I mean, good news always get people to jump in. So yes, you are correct. Um, what's going on, Expose? XRP for life, man. Shout out to you. Big Ben, what's up? Thinking about taking it early. Distribute on my what? Okay. This distribution on my 403B. Okay, and blast it into Bitcoin. So you basically want to take your profits from your 403B and put it in Bitcoin. Let me ask you a question. Why would you want to do something like that? Okay. Check out Ethereum on the chart, please. I checked it out already. I'm quite sure you saw it. Starting to lose faith. Do you think they will ever find a cure for XRP? You said skin rash. XRP may cause skin rash. Hey, what's going on, Leslie Savage? Hey, a buddy of mine just recently sold 10 rental properties and took the money and put it all into crypto. I tried to talk him out of it, but he went all in. James Lee, I hope that is not a true story, okay? Oh, I feel bad for your friend. I hope that's not a true story. I'll read these questions. Give me a second. Miki said, that's what I did for my 401k. I took early. For real? And you put it in XRP? Why? Why would you do something like that? First of all, let me ask you a question. Right, MK. If I don't know if I'm saying that right, but first of all, don't you get penalized if you take money from your 401k? And second of all, why would you take a gamble like that? Why would you take gambles like that? I mean, I don't know how much you took out of your 401k. Okay, I hope you didn't take all of it out. What's going on, V? You said, how's my weekend? My weekend is pretty good, man. It's good, man. You know, just been chilling, looking at some charts, spending time with the family. Does the chart dictate the news versus? Yeah. So basically, I don't care what the news is saying. You can see it in the chart. All right. So this is a good example right here. Go back to my early videos. You will see exactly what I mean. All right. I told you guys before. Bitcoin has the chance to go up, or has the ability to go up to 12K. Right. But you see these circles right here. I had these circles way before we had that. What news came out? I forgot what news came out around this. Something got hacked around this time. I don't know. Something came out. A news came out. I forgot what news came out, but it was right at the resistance zone. Did I know news was going to come out? No. So basically, what I'm trying to say is, it doesn't matter if news comes out or not. Your technical analysis will still work. Let me see here. Because Bitcoin will give me greater profit. Guys, like I said, I'm not going to make this a long live stream. How long I've been on here so far? 20 minutes. All right, so I'm not going to make this a long live stream, but guys, and you have to understand, when I talk like this, it's from experience. I'm actually hurting my channel. I'm hurting my channel, when I talk like this. People unsubscribe when I talk like this, right? Stop thinking that your coin is 100% guaranteed. So basically, you said that Bitcoin will give me, okay? Listen to the words that you're using. Bitcoin will give me a greater profit. So basically, you're saying that Bitcoin will go up, okay? You don't know that. You don't know if the stock market is going to go up. You don't know if Bitcoin is going to go up. It don't have to go up. All right? I know a lot of people is going to say, you don't know what you're talking about, or dislike the video, or maybe unsubscribe. But at the same time, I believe it's my duty to help people that don't understand the markets. This is why I'm able to work from home, okay, full time, and trade the markets. This is how I'm able to save a lot of people, okay, money when we was going down. This is how I'm able to come on live stream and talk with confidence. And I don't really care what anybody is saying, because once you know how to read the charts, you can sleep at night. When you say things like it will, or it's impossible for this to happen, you have a lot to learn. You don't control the markets. I don't control the markets. The market could do whatever it wants to do. So stop thinking that we have to go up. This is what I'm trying to help you guys understand, okay? I'm trying to give you a professional view. Stop thinking that it has to do something. Start thinking, hey, how can I take advantage of this up move? All right? That's how you should change, right? And start thinking that way. How can I take advantage of this up move? How can I take advantage of a down move? Not saying I'm going to go all in because Bitcoin could give me, better profits than the stock market. That means you have no strategy, and you're saying your strategy is based on it will go up. It don't have to go up. Your strategy, you should always have a strategy that allows you to understand that you are wrong and allow you to get out your situation, okay? And figure out what to do next. Let me ask you a question, guys. Let me ask you a question. If Bitcoin goes down, right back down to these lows right here, what plan do you have? Do you have any plan if Bitcoin goes back to these lows? and continue to go down? Do you have any plans? No. Most of you guys don't have any plans. You just sitting and waiting. That's your plan. A wait and plan. You just wait and sit and wait. What I'm trying to do is not be negative, okay? Because some of you guys automatically think that I'm talking negative. What I'm trying to do is give you the other side. All right? What I'm trying to do is help you, snap you out of this 100% guarantee mindset and let you understand that anything can happen. Right? And once you understand that, and once you understand how to read the charts, you will say to yourself, man, what I'm doing, I need to either start taking profits. I need to figure out how can I take advantage of these moves, short-term moves. How can I make consistent income, not a home run income, right? That's the questions you need to ask yourself. Because from what I'm looking at right now, guys, all right, trust me, I want all you guys to succeed. I want all you guys to make money, but I will not. I refuse to come on here and stroke, your ego or give you something that you want to hear. I'm giving you my professional view. What I'm looking at right now is a breakout right here around 4,000 mark. I'm looking at a breakout right here around that 55,000 mark. And both of these breakouts, we never pulled back to none of these breakouts. Okay? So Bitcoin eventually has to at least pull back to one of these breakouts. Even if Bitcoin wants to continue to go back up, I'm okay with that. But we can't just continue to go up like this in a straight line. A pullback has to happen. So keep that in mind, all right? You always have to be safe. You can't just be that guy that's always positive because, that's how you think, you should be. You always have to have that other side. What if things go wrong? Do I have an exit strategy? How can I get out? Blah, blah, blah. So let's go back to these questions and then we go from there. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I think Randy or someone told me about Bitcoin is actually going to they're going to talk about Bitcoin on 60 Minutes today. So that's very interesting. I'm reading these questions here. The chosen one said the charts are mooning. I don't know. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. So you hear the chosen one. The chosen one said, "I want to be a millionaire so freaking bad." Okay. So this is what's going on, guys. This is what's going on, and most people don't want to hear what I have to say because it's tough love, it's reality, and it's not sexy, right? It's not cute, it's not sexy. Trust me, guys. I'm losing subscribers because of this. I'm not growing the channel because of this, right? So some of you guys really have to understand what I'm trying to say. You want to be a millionaire, but you don't have the education to back that up. Okay? So let me explain that. Let me say that again for you guys. You want to be a millionaire, but you don't have the same information that these millionaires have. You don't have the same education that these millionaires have. So how do you expect to become a millionaire and you don't even try to learn how things work? Because when you say buy the dips, go all in, that's not how millionaires think. So you want to be a millionaire, but you don't have the millionaire habits. You want to become a millionaire, but you don't have the education. Don't you see the disconnect here? It's a disconnect. Most of you guys want to make $1 million. I understand that, trust me. But first of all, you have to know what you're dealing with. How to make the $1 million. How to make. First of all, some of you guys don't even know how to make $50,000, and you want to make $1 million. Like, come on, guys. Let's be real for a second. Let's actually talk about some real stuff. You don't even know how to make $20K, but you want to make $1 million. That doesn't make any sense. I understand a lot of us have hopes and dreams, but come on, guys, let's be real. Educate yourself. It's just what it is. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, I'm going to end the live stream early. Basically, how long I've been on this? 30 minutes. So basically, it looks like Bitcoin will make these new highs. If not, sellers will probably come around this area. But for right now, it looks like we're going to make new highs, and that magic number is going to be around that 95-10K mark. All right, 95-10K mark probably, because that is a good level for people to jump in. Okay, and the crazy part is it don't even have to go to 10K, but that's why I'm saying around that 9K, 10K level, okay, is a key level. Now, if they do hit that 10K level, a lot of people is going to just FOMO and go all in. So keep that in mind. The Wells know that, so it will be a pullback. You just I don't want you guys to buy the lows, or I'm sorry, I don't want you guys to buy the highs. All right, it's best to buy pullbacks or buy if the market looks like it's finding support. All right, but that's about it, guys. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. But anything else, if you guys want to learn how how I'm able to work from home and day trade, if you want to learn that, guys, I day trade the futures market. Okay, the futures market has a lot of markets you can trade. You can trade the crude oil, NASDAQ, Dow. It's just like the stock market, but you just trade in the NASDAQ, you trade in the Dow, you trade in the S&P 500, the crude oil, gold, silver. There's so many products you can trade. Okay, you got some currency products, and if you want to learn how I'm able to do this full time, work from home, okay, come join me. I'm actually trading live in front of my students tomorrow. So if you got my course already, if you got the day trading course, all right, I told you guys I have a special going on for 1 month straight. I'm going to trade live in front of you guys, so it will help you speed up your success. Okay, most of these guys on YouTube are just giving you information, but they're not showing you live trades. So that will help you speed up your success. If you want to learn about that and understand how you can take advantage of the market, come join me. I will start, trade. I would actually start trading tomorrow. Here's the link right here for you guys that want to join me. All right, come see me live. You can ask me any questions. We're going to talk about the market. We're going to share, ideas and basically look at some trades. But overall, guys, you need to educate yourself. If you're trying to base your thing on just going blind and going all in just because you have a good feeling about something. That's not the way to go, guys. Okay, millionaires don't they don't do things based on I have a gut feeling. Okay, if you meet a millionaire right now, they have the education to back that up. They have the knowledge to back it up. Okay, not, oh, I'm gonna close my eyes and hope I become a millionaire. No, they have the education to back it up. They can repeat the process. Okay, that's the key. Consistency. You have to learn how to repeat that process over and over and over. Who cares if you make, some money from the cryptocurrencies? Can you repeat that over and over consistently, month after month, day after day, week after week? No. Some of you guys can't do it because you're looking for these home runs. Most of you guys haven't made any money, okay, since 2017. So if you want to learn more about that, I just gave you guys that link. It's right here. Anything else, you can email me. I'm going to read a couple more questions, and then we're going to end this live stream. Look at XRP. Yeah, I looked at it already, Michael. I looked at it already. Who Flunk said, Ben is the real deal. Shout out to you, man. He's actually one of my students. Shout out to you. Ken, what's going on, Ken? What's going on, Jimmy? What's going on, X? I will watch it from the start. Okay. The entire concept of holding seems like a gamble. I have almost zero faith in this. It is a gamble, man. And most people don't understand. They just they will never understand. Okay, most of these guys that came into the crypto world, you have to understand they was never exposed to the stock market or any market. All they know is video games and all this extra stuff. They don't know anything about the market, so they believe every little thing. You have to educate yourself. If you want to become a millionaire, how can you become a millionaire and you don't have the knowledge to back that up? Does that make any sense, guys? I haven't gotten into this bull market. This is actually not a bull market, X. Okay, don't feel dumb, man. You said you didn't get into this bull market. Don't feel dumb. First of all, this is not a bull market. Okay, this is just an up move, right? And second of all, don't feel dumb. Only the way to improve is to educate yourself, right? Just study people that you want to if you want to be that person, study guys like that's trying to guys that's actually already successful, and that's it. Educate yourself, right? Don't feel dumb. Don't kick yourself, because this could retrace all the way back down. So don't say that this is a bull market, okay? And I'm glad you said that, because a lot of people are thinking the same way. They thinking, oh my gosh, I missed out. So that's why a lot of people are going to buy the high. They're going to buy at 10,000. They're going to buy at 11,000. They're going to probably buy at 12,000. All right, guys. Let me explain something to you guys. For all you guys that's always feel like you're going to miss out, and this is pretty much the last thing. You're never going to miss out, guys. All right. Don't you understand? Once you learn how to read the chart, there's an opportunity every single day, every single week. Let me say that again. If you learn how to read a chart, there's opportunities every single day, every single week, every single month. You never miss out on opportunities. All right? The reason why you feel like you're missing out is because you don't have enough education. You think everything is all about, oh man, I gotta buy right now. It's not about that. You can still make money regardless if you understand how to read the chart. So let me see. If I see one more question, we go from there. Yeah, people think they're going to become a millionaire buying $200 worth of Bitcoin or $200 worth of XRP. All I know is since last week I doubled. That's not enough to be a millionaire. You know that, bro. You know that. That's not enough. And we all know that. Just because you double your money doesn't mean the price will continue to go up. All right. So come on, guys. You have to educate yourself. You have to learn the charts. All right. Anyway, how is Bitcoin a scam? I never said Bitcoin is a scam. All right. I said Bitcoin is a market, and markets don't care about you. They can go up, they can go down. Talk to you guys later. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Me personally, I'm gonna continue to chill and look at some charts. But if you guys want to change your life and see how I trade and see how I'm able to work from home, check out that link. Okay, this is the first link. I'm going to trade tomorrow, start tomorrow, and if you guys can't make it, you can actually get the recordings too, right? This day trading course comes with the crypto course too. So this day trading comes with a crypto course. It will show you how to make money in the crypto market too. Swing traded, okay? I day trade the futures market, but I'm going to show you how you can make money swing trading in cryptos, right? Talk to you guys later. Have a great weekend. Stay blessed. Always improve. Always try to learn from your mistakes. Don't get too cocky. Stop saying, this will happen. This is 100% guaranteed. Stop it. Okay. Learn, understand reality, and just understand, what you're dealing with. Okay. How do you expect to become a millionaire? Let's say that you want to become a real estate investor, right? And you never read a book about real estate, you never took a course about real estate, but for some reason in your mind you want to become a real estate a millionaire, right? A real estate investor, a millionaire when it comes to real estate investing, but you don't want to educate yourself. Come on, guys. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day, and make sure that you do what it takes, guys. Talk to you guys later, and have a great day.